Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer text messages from Android to Android. Open Google Play Store on both Android phones. Download SM's Backup and Restore app. Open the app. Launch the app on both devices. Tap the hamburger menu. Select Transfer on both phones. Start transfer. On the sending phone, choose Send from this device. On the receiving phone, choose Receive on this device. Connect devices. Make sure both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On the sending phone, tap the receiving device when it appears. On the receiving phone, accept the invitation. Select Data. Choose Messages and Call Logs to transfer. Tap Transfer and wait for the process to complete. On the receiving phone, set SM's Backup and Restore as the default messaging app temporarily. Once transfer is complete, switch back to your preferred SM's app. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.